This is Dr. David Neal at the Lodi Dentist. Today I want to talk a little bit about teeth grinding and bruxism. Bruxism basically means teeth grinding. There's also clinchers that they say, I don't make any noise at nighttime, but they are clenching on the teeth, tightening those muscles in the jaws. All that will wear to, number one, sore jaws, sore feeling mouths in the mornings if you do it at nighttime. Also, it leads to irregular wear on the teeth and premature breakage of teeth. It's pretty simple how to manage that. Number one, a bite guard is something that everybody should be wearing at nighttime. It does protect the teeth, especially the expensive dentistry that we have put into people's mouth with the porcelains, with the tooth-colored fillings. A bite guard helps prevent you from breaking those. Then there are other things that if that does not solve the case, there are other things we can look into, but that is the first line of defense that in our office, we recommend that to almost every patient.